Hello, and welcome to What Did Lori Get from Amazon Today? Today I have two boxes. This one's, the bigger one is actually lighter than the smaller one. Let's see. This is just a thing for like your seatbelt, and this is actually for like babies, like when they're sleeping in their car seat, so that their head doesn't go like that. You can like put this across it and keep it up. But I got it more for some of my students to help them keep their heads up. So that's those two. This is actually much nicer than I thought it was going to be too. And this is another thing for my kids at school, but still kind of a babyish thing. So now Amazon thinks I have a baby, which I definitely don't, so stop recommending it. And that's it.